everybody and welcome to another TN spread. This week I'm going to be using the kit from Plump Planner. I can't remember what the kit's called, but I will have it linked in the description box below. These are your full boxes and then your sheet with your half boxes, some deco, weekend banner and a notes script. I am going to be bringing in some extra bits. These are from leftover kits, so don't 100% know where they're from. So I have this box. This did come off a Green Dana Designs sampler sheet. I have my weekday scripts, a bunch of boxes and headers and flags, some icons that I want to use, and the glitters that I want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and take my insert out for the week so I can get on planning with this, and I will speed through placing the kit because it's a bit more difficult to place down than what it is in my happy planner, but I will get back to you when I do the functional. So now all my kit's placed down, I'm going to place all my functional stickers. I'm going to use a bank holiday sticker from the Plump Planner because it's bank holiday on Monday. And after this I'm going to place a this is from, oh, I don't know what the shop is, but it's a coffee cup character, and just to mark, but first coffee, Half of these stickers I don't know what they are because they've come from samplers or destashes, and I've just placed them all on a sheet together and then just decide what sticker I want to use as and when. I then use a planner sticker to mark that I want to share my weekly spread. I would have already, this is for Monday for my main planner. This spread would have been posted up today before this video. So if you haven't already followed me on Instagram, it will be linked below. I then use these folded clothes stack, I think it's from Whimsical Cat Co, to mark that I want to get some laundry done. I then use a to clean today box from the Plump Planner to mark what room I need to focus more on this day. I then use a bow sticker from Diamond Prince Designs to mark that my plan with me will be going up on Monday at 5 PM. I would like to announce in this video as well, I have been picked to be on the Diamond Prince Design PR team, so I will have that code linked below for you, and keep an eye out. We will be having, each PR girl is going to have their own different sampler for when you use our code. I will let you know when those are going to be available, but for now I will just link the code below for you. I have I think this is a shattered glass, I think they are, or silver glitter foil heart from Diamond Prince Designs to mark that I need to film on this day. And then I use this shopping sticker to mark that my eldest will be going uniform shopping with her nan to go get all her uniform for big school. I then use another one of those to clean today boxes. Sorry if there's a lot of pauses in this voiceover. I don't have like a big screen, I do all this on my phone and I don't actually have my TN in front of me, so I've got to wait till I've actually placed the sticker in the video to tell you what I'm doing. I use a laptop sticker to mark that I want to get some blog work done. And then a buy stickers sticker to mark that I want to make an Etsy order. As well as a shopping sticker to mark that I have some shopping to do. Moving on to Wednesday. Sorry if you can hear any background noise, I'm just flipping through my happy planner to see if that can help me a bit. I then use a quarter box and write in that it is payday, I believe. Then I use an Instagram sticker to mark that I want to share my midweek. Don't think I speeded up this at all. I then use a to clean today sticker from the Plump Planner. Looking back at this now, I do believe I have forgotten to speed through this bit. I do apologise, which means I'm going to have to try and talk more. I then use obviously I don't know what stickers I'm using while I was doing this. I use a bow sticker to mark that I need to get some editing done on this day. And then I use a bath sticker because I would love a pamper night, since the summer holidays are coming to an end. And then I use a nail polish because I could really do with repainting my nails. Moving on to Thursday, I use this camera sticker to mark that I need to do some promoting for Your World of Colour, followed by a heart sticker I think I'll place here to mark that I need to film again. I think I place it all on top of this half box. Sorry, this video is all over the place. I haven't been feeling very well. No, I used a bow sticker, but this is from Diamond Prince Designs, and I think I use it to mark that I need to film my TN spread for the week the girls go back to school. I then use another one of those to clean today boxes. I must write a note to myself that I need to remember to speed through these parts of the videos. I don't know why I forgot to speed through it, but anyway, it's done now and I've got no way of editing it because I've already stuck all the bits together. And I've lost the original pieces. Here I just stick down 2 Build You stickers. One is for rent and one is for our loan. And unless I move my insert up, I don't know what I put here. But I know I do have 2. Oh, yes, I can see book at the end of that. I need to share some promoting stuff on Facebook for Your World of Colour, and my August monthly memory spread will be going up on this day as well as sneak peeking the kit I will be using for back to school week. I then use a half box with another one of the Diamond Prince bows. This is to mark my August monthly memory spread because that goes live at 5 PM. Moving on to Friday. I don't think I have a lot on Friday, even though I do tend to stick a lot of stickers down. I use one of these stickers which Carly, who runs Your World of Colour, specifically made for us PR girls. She's supposed to be having a sale on over the weekend, next weekend, not the weekend you are seeing this. I then use another, these are purple foil, I think, purple foil bow to mark that I need to film my Happy Planner spread. I then use a quarter, oh no it's not, it's one of those to clean today stickers. I use another one of those silver hearts from Diamond Prince to mark that I need to edit. The editing I'll be doing on that day will be my TN spread ready for the Saturday. and I also use a character eating pizza. These are, I do know these are for Harriet Wright Designs, just to mark that it's pizza night, and that's a Harriet Wright Designs sticker as well, just to mark movie night. Moving on to the weekend, I have my weekend banner already placed down. I then use well, it's not an Instagram sticker, it's a character, but just to mark that I want to share my TN spread on Instagram before this video goes up. I also use another one of those hearts to mark that I need to do the voiceover on my Happy Planner spread. Should also mark that I need to do fast forwarding on these videos. I use another laundry sticker to mark that I want to get some more laundry done. I'm trying to catch up on all my laundry now, seems the girls are back at school on the 4th. I then use a quarter box with another one of those heart stickers to mark that I need to edit. On Saturday, the editing I'll be doing will be my Happy Planner spread. I then use another one of those bows, and this will be to mark that this video will be going live at 5 PM. Well, not this video, similar video, my TN spread for next week, the following week. Then moving on to Sunday, I should be using a planner sticker to mark that I need to share my end of week spread. So that will be my Happy Planner spread, all finished and filled in, which never happens. I then use one of these unicorn banners, stickers from your World of Colour to mark that we are going out for the day. And then I do not know what I placed down because I haven't moved my planner up, but I also need to upload my Happy Planner spread and do some extra planning out because the girls are back at school. So this is my spread all finished. Sorry I got cut off there. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'd love to have you over here on my channel, and I shall see you in my next video, which will be my other plan with me.